Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Airflow users face: the scheduler getting stuck on restarting with extremely high CPU usage. If you've ever found yourself in this situation, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's causing the problem and how to fix it. Airflow is an amazing tool for managing workflows, but like any complex system, it's not immune to issues. The scheduler is the heart of Airflow, responsible for triggering tasks and keeping your workflows running smoothly. But when it gets stuck, it can bring your entire workflow to a grinding halt. In this video, we'll dive into the possible causes of this issue, explain how to identify the problem, and provide step-by-step guidance on how to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to troubleshoot and fix this common Airflow scheduler issue. So, what's causing the Airflow scheduler to get stuck on restarting with high CPU usage? There are a few possible explanations for this behavior. One common cause is a misconfigured scheduler interval parameter. This parameter controls how often the scheduler checks for new tasks to run. If it's set too low, the scheduler can become overwhelmed and start consuming excessive CPU resources. Another potential cause is a large number of tasks or DAGs in your Airflow instance. When there are too many tasks competing for resources, the scheduler can struggle to keep up, leading to high CPU usage and eventual restart loops. Lastly, it's also possible that there's an underlying issue with your database or storage system. If the scheduler is unable to write data to the database or store files correctly, it can cause the entire system to grind to a halt. Now that we've identified some potential causes, let's talk about how to diagnose and fix the issue. The first step is to check your Airflow logs for any error messages related to the scheduler. You can also use tools like top or top to monitor CPU usage in real time and identify if there are any other processes consuming excessive resources. Once you've identified the root cause, you can start taking steps to resolve it. If the issue is due to a misconfigured scheduler interval, simply adjusting this parameter should resolve the issue. If the problem is related to too many tasks or DAGs, you may need to implement some optimization strategies, such as grouping similar tasks together or using Airflow's built-in caching mechanisms. To summarize, the Airflow scheduler getting stuck on restarting with high CPU usage can be caused by a misconfigured scheduler interval, too many tasks or DAGs, or underlying issues with your database or storage system. To diagnose and fix the issue, check your Airflow logs for error messages related to the scheduler. Use tools like top to monitor CPU usage in real time. Adjust the scheduler interval parameter if necessary. Implement optimization strategies to reduce task and DAG overhead. That's it for today's video on troubleshooting Airflow scheduler issue. We hope you now have a better understanding of what causes this problem and how to fix it. If you've struggled with this issue in the past, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Airflow tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.